What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Columbus Aviation and welcome back to another 1:400 scale model unboxing. Today we've got a very special model, as this is a model from the giveaway I won from CM Aviation. So great thanks to CM Aviation for shipping this model out to me. And as you can see, he left a little note that says thank you for watching, CM, on the actual box. So again, thank you very much. I'm so stoked to have this model. I'm just so happy about this. So if I could find a pointer, or just throw it on the floor, that works too. I found a pen. All right, here we go. There's my pen. Let's crack this box on open. I have already opened this up, but I decided to put it back in, as I usually do. I'm going to be leaving the post-it note right there for now, but as you can see, this is the JetBlue Vets in Blue A320. This is made by Aeroclassics, branded as baby bus models. So let's pull it on out, if my hands would work. Pull it on out of the box. Just put that over to the side. And take a look at it. So it's nicely, protectively, packaged as always, with Aeroclassics and just about every other manufacturer. So give me just about 1 second and we can cut right to the actual model. Alright, so here we have the model. It is a beautiful Aeroclassics Airbus A320-200 or CO. Sorry, I'm going to just turn my lights down a little bit so it's not as reflective. That should be better. Alright, so here we have this Airbus A320 CO, as you can see. Sorry about the camera shake. So let's take a look at the front. Firstly, here we have the cockpit windows, which are pretty basic as Aeroclassics standards. And then you've got the Vets in Blue title, which is the name of the special livery. L1 door, and then the JetBlue titles across the main fuselage. Really liking this dark blue. Let me get a comparison of two different models. Firstly, here is the incorrectly colored, slightly dark Southwest 737 from NG. And then here is a normal JetBlue A321 in the new livery. You can see it's a lot darker than both of those, which are about the same. Anyways, I'm going to move those out of the frame as they are not the subject of this video. Although we do have some A321s coming up in a future unboxing. So next up, we've got the overwing exit doors and JetBlue.com titles on the engine, although it's kind of hard to see because of my glare. I'm really sorry about that. Then we've got JetBlue honors our veterans, which it says just above the windows, and then the registration, which is November 775 Juliet Bravo, which is just next to the United States flag. Also, we've got the Airbus 320 logo down there, and then the L2 door, and the beautiful refreshed Vets in Blue tail. So let's take a look at the bottom of the model, which is not too special. And then let's take a look at the front, and now the side, the other side. Okay, so now that it's in frame, we can work from the back to the front as we usually do here on Columbus Aviation. So as you can see, we've got the beautiful tail once more. I really love the design. Same thing as the other side, R2 door. Registration, which is 775 Juliet Bravo. We've got the 320 logo, which is kind of obscured by my glare. And then the JetBlue honors our veterans, as previously. I've got a little bit of dust on there, sorry. Then, I just received this model today, so that's my bad for probably... The board is probably dusty. It's been out for a while. We also have the aft baggage compartment. And something I forgot to mention was the, if I can make it focus, the yellow wingtip fences, which are really nice. It's the same yellow as found over there. So next up, we also have the forward baggage compartment and R1 door, Vets in Blue title again, and then the same sort of stuff on the front. Taking a look at the back, and now the top. Not really, actually. So let's take one last look at the box. I'm just going to move the model out to the side. The box is, let's see, your standard Baby Bus Models box. It's got the regular branding, and then, you know, regular Baby Bus Models branding. It says Aeroclassics 1 to 400 scale. Got this on the side, which is pretty regular for Aeroclassics. Kind of has the tail design, airline, and some of those details on the bottom. Then the back, then the sides are Airbus A320 family aircraft. Top is just typical adult collectible model. And the back is also the Airbus 320 family. So here you can see the model at a gate with an attached Clipper Models jetway. I also have just like on the back side of that little taxiway board, I've got a singular gate layout. So I can do this sort of thing. So I can show off ground service equipment and jetways. I've yet to use it in a video until now, but if I do end up reviewing my Clipper Models jetways, you might see it then, or the first time or next time I end up getting some more ground service equipment, you will end up seeing it then. So, with all of this being said, I really do just want to once more thank you very much, CM Aviation, for winning this model. For sending me this model. I'm very lucky to be one of the, I believe it was 8 winners, and I'm just so glad that I could be named in that. So with that being said, I have one more little thing to say. And that is that this is at the perfect time, the absolute perfect time, is I had been currently expanding my JetBlue collection. This is all I currently have in my room, in my collection. However, I'm going to try not to say currently again. I am trying to, nope. I am waiting on another JetBlue model, which is the A220-300 from Gemini Jets in the new livery, which I am very excited to see. I really love the Hops livery, so I'm glad to be seeing that coming soon. You guys should be seeing an unboxing of that by the start of February. And one last thing I want to say before I end this video off is that I want to say thank you all very much for sticking around with my sort of video delays lately. I've not been the best on keeping to my 2 to 3 times weekly schedule. I have a lot of more unboxings currently in my room. I've got 1, I've got 2, I've got 3, 4 unboxings that I'm about ready to do. So you should be seeing those scattered over the next couple weeks. With all of that being said, I want to say thank each and every one of you guys for watching this video. Please be sure to leave a comment and subscribe so I can keep doing more content like this. It really helps me out. And go ahead and check out some of my other content while you're at it. Thank you guys all so much for watching one more time. Columbus Aviation signing out.